In the year 2003, a couple of astrophysicists came up with an idea which they called the Big Rip theory. And these two guys, they are Kamienkovsky and Caldwell. They suggest that the universe is going to die as a result of overextension. The universe is growing, and at some point it's going to be grown beyond what it can hold. So like a balloon, they are giving an example of an overinflated balloon, which when we blow too much, it's at some point just explodes. So all the galaxies and all the stars and planets in them, and of course all the creatures are going to be torn to pieces by the dark matter pulling them. And so their molecules are going to be spread everywhere in the space, and that's going to be the end of the universe. They estimate that the end of the universe will happen in about 50 billion years from now. This is an interesting part to me because 50 billion years from now, that means that the universe will be about 65 billion years old. Right now it is about 14 billion years old. It will be 65 billion years old according to the theory when it dies. To me, this means that again, the universe, the lifespan of the universe can be compared to the lifespan of a human being. 1 billion years equals 1 year. So the universe now is like a teenager, 14 years old, and it will die at the age of 65 or 70 years old. To me, of course, the universe is going to behave like an organic being, like a live being, like a mushroom that is maybe in the shape of a balloon, but it's not over extended, overinflated, but it's just going to at some point be too old to hold, too old to live, and it's going to go like this and collapse on itself indeed and wilt away. So I think that in some sense this theory supports my big sprout idea that the universe is a living creature. And yes, from the physics point of view, you can look at the end of the universe as perhaps dark matter pulling the universe into shreds and ripping it apart. But from a biological point of view, you can look at it as just a death of a being, of a creature. So, interesting.